Now, it is India's crypto moment indeed. With over 10 crore investors in digital currency, India has the highest cryptocurrency users in the world now. A legal framework to regulate and govern this booming cryptocurrency investment market in India is now the need of the hour and may just see the light of day by February. In fact, Business Today TV was the first to break this news about 3 weeks ago. And since then, things have moved quite fast. Finance Ministry sources say that the bill may be tabled in the winter session of the Parliament.
10 crore investors, 8,000 crore rupees invested. That's how much is loaded on the crypto bandwagon in India, even though the wagon is traveling a road that is yet to be mapped out. But there's good news for the millions who want a regulatory shield before investing in crypto. Business Today TV reported in October that cryptos could be a legal asset class in a few months. A clear departure from an earlier approach which proposed a complete ban on cryptocurrencies. Sources say the government is likely to opt for regulating cryptocurrencies just as it does with commodities, with a tax on all transactions and gains.
From our side, we are very clear that we are not shutting all options off. We will allow a certain amount of a window for people to use, so that experiments in the blockchain, the Bitcoin, or whatever you may want to call it, the cryptocurrency experiments and fintech, which depend on such experiments, will have that window available for them. We are not going to shut it off all. But yet, what kind of a formulation, even for a crypto, will have to be the content of the cabinet note, which will get ready soon.
There is reportedly a feeling in the government that instead of fighting technology, it's better to regulate and ensure investors are not hurt. This change has come about over the past several months, with the government treading cautiously on this matter. The biggest hurdle to cryptocurrencies till now was the banning of cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill proposed in 2019. This bill has been quietly scrapped. Meanwhile, after Business Today TV broke the news on regulation, crypto exchanges and intermediaries have gone on a publicity overdrive. Top stars are being roped in, with ad spend zooming to attract investors to the new investment opportunity.
और आपके funds भी insured हैं.
Money is also pouring into non-fungible tokens, with Amitabh Bachchan's recent NFT auction garnering around 7 crore rupees. The latest gold rush has sparked fears, with even the RSS Supremo addressing the issue in his annual Dussehra address.
बिटकॉइन जैसी करेंसी है, किस राष्ट्र का, किस नियम का उस पर नियंत्रण है, मुझे नहीं पता. एक स्पर्धा खड़ी हो रही है. इन सब बातों को नियंत्रित करना, समाज के हित में चलाना, ड्रग्स जैसे व्यसनों का पूर्ण निराश हो, इसका प्रयास करना, ये शासन को करना चाहिए, करना पड़ेगा.
Well, with India being an emerging and most growing market for investments in cryptocurrency, any legislation that's going to be drafted by Finance Ministry, Government of India, is going to leave its mark worldwide. Karishma Sudani, India Today, New Delhi.